I think we found a way where your chicken breast won't be dry anymore. First, let's start with white mushrooms. Toss them into a bowl and drizzle in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add 1 teaspoon oregano. Yes, it's simple, but it works. Think of this as the setup move. Mushrooms cook first, and while they do, we get the chicken ready. After everything's mixed, add the mushrooms to the air fryer basket and cook at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Next, take about 1 pound of skinless chicken breast. Slice each piece open like a book that is called butterfly cut. When it's done, carefully open them like your favorite book. Then cover chicken with plastic wrap and gently pound it out. Nothing aggressive, guys, and this is just cooking and not revenge. If you're enjoying this, feel free to like and subscribe. Let's keep cooking together. When it's ready, let's season both sides with salt and black pepper. Next, lay down 2 slices of ham per chicken piece. Basically, this is our secret built-in juicy insurance policy. Alright, mushrooms should be done. Pull them out and let them cool for a minute. Now slice them up. And yes, this part always looks like, why are we doing so much work? But this is where the texture gets better. If one mushroom accidentally disappears while you're slicing, that's not a mistake. That's the chef's tax. Now spread those sliced mushrooms right on top of the ham. Nice and even. This is where the flavor really builds, and it keeps the inside nice and juicy once we roll it up. Anything else to add into these chicken? We would love to hear your ideas. Next, we finish the filling with a little grated Parmesan, about 2 tablespoons. It adds that salty, savory punch that makes the whole thing taste way more expensive than it is. Now fold the chicken up carefully like you're wrapping a cozy blanket around the filling. Press it gently so it holds its shape. If it looks a little uneven, congrats, it's homemade, and it's still going to taste amazing. Now we're ready to cook it. Place the chicken into the air fryer basket carefully, seam side down if possible. Cook the chicken at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. About 2 minutes before it's done, open the basket and check the thickest part with a thermometer. You're looking for 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Once it's there, it's time for the final touch. Add mozzarella slices right on top. This is our comfy finish. Once it melts, it turns into a little cheese blanket that keeps the chicken juicy. Just look at them. They seriously puff up like little pillows. Today, we're serving them with the rice, but it also perfect with mashed potatoes or any side dish you've got waiting in the fridge. Spoon any leftover mushrooms with the chicken, unless they mysteriously vanished earlier. Final touch, a little chopped parsley. It's not required, but trust me, it makes everything look like you meant to do it. And there it is. Juicy chicken, ham, mushrooms, Parmesan, and melted mozzarella. This is exactly what dinner should be. Easy, cozy, and actually satisfying. Friends, if you enjoyed cooking with us, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.